Hey guys, Technical with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix your iPhone if your screen is yellow. It might have a light yellow, medium yellow, or really heavy yellow where you can't even see this video. But if you listen to this video and the instruction we tell you, it hopefully should be helping you resolve this issue. So let's get started. So the very first thing, if you're having this issue that you want to do is a forced restart. Well, you might be wondering, how do you do a forced restart if you can't see the screen? Well, you don't need to see the screen to do a forced restart. So in order to do a forced restart, all you have to do is follow these instructions, which is press and release the volume up and then press and release the volume down one after another, and then you're going to hold the side button or the power button on the right hand side until the screen goes completely black. You don't have to even touch the screen for this step that we're saying. So do volume up, press and release it, volume down, press and release it, and then hold the side button. And this time you're just going to keep on holding that side button. Don't let go until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo reappear. At that point, when the Apple logo reappears in your screen and you see that, you're going to let go of the side button. And what you have done is a forced restart, which is really important to do whenever you're having any sort of software related issue. What this does is turns off the phone completely and then reloads the code. So if there's a bug or a glitch causing that yellow screen, it should be resolved by now and hopefully your issue is fixed. Now let's say you're still having a yellow screen, maybe it's a little bit less or you still can see the screen. Now these are a couple other suggestions that you want to follow to reduce or eliminate that yellow screen. So the first thing you want to do is open up your settings apps. Once you open up your settings app, you want to go ahead and find in display and brightness. Under display and brightness, you're going to go all the way down and look for different settings. For example, if you have True Tone on, go ahead and turn off True Tone and see what difference it makes. It may take a little moment or two for True Tone to kind of help it to kind of see how the effect, but then you want to turn it on and off just to kind of play around with it. And if it doesn't fix this, you move on to the next settings, which is night mode. Night mode, if you have it turned on, I suggest you turn that off as well, especially if you have it from a different schedule. Go ahead and turn off night mode and the night shift completely as well. Now, after you have done that, the next settings you also want to take a look at in your phone is any sort of display text that is from the default itself there as well. So if you take a look to see if there's anything like, for example, if you have like always on, turn off always on, just like that, so the display doesn't interfere with your, again, settings as well. So there's a couple things that you want to take a look at and adjust on your phone. And lastly, after you have done that and you're still having issues, the next things I suggest is that you try to update your phone if you can see the screen, because a previous update might have caused the issue, which seems to be the case for a lot of users. So in that case, go ahead and to your settings, general software update, and see if you have an update available for your phone. If there's an update available, it's going to say download and install. Make sure you're connected to good Wi-Fi and have at least 50% or more charge, and you're going to hit that download and install. Give yourself about half an hour to 45 minutes to update your phone as well. Now, after you have updated your phone and you're still having the issue, the very last thing you can do in your settings is go to settings, go to general, and then go all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset. Transfer reset iPhone, and then the first option for reset, and you want to reset all settings, which is the very first option. But before you do reset this, you do have to understand what this does. This does not delete your personal data like photos, videos, apps, personal information that you have on your phone. What it does reset is all the settings, things like network settings. So if you had set up a different Wi-Fi password that you save will get reset. Things like Bluetooth connected device will get reset, so you'll have to reconnect again. Things like keyboard dictionary, if you added certain keywords, those will get reset. Home screen layout, if you had a custom layout for your home screen, those will also get reset to factory. And then any location and privacy settings that was set will also get reset. But it's important to do that, reset all settings, because again, like I said, it is impacting. If it's a setting that's impacting that yellow tint, you want to do that reset, and that reset generally takes about a minute or two. It's pretty quick and easy, but it'll help your phone if you have that yellow issue going on your screen. So hopefully these tips that we share with you guys do help you resolve your issue. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Also do let us know if another way you fix that issue in the comment section, so it helps everyone else as well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.